What up, guys? I got some bad news on the Farmall Cub here. We was over there finishing up plowing, and it just wouldn't stop. You press the clutch, it wouldn't stop. So it looks like the throwout bearing has gone out. So if I can shine the slide up in here, y'all can see this or not, but it is, yeah, there we go. It's bad. I'm hoping the clutch ain't bad too, but unfortunately this is putting me behind. I mean, that part ain't expensive, but this is putting me behind plowing. Kind of already late in the season for here in Central Texas, cause Mother Nature kind of wreaked havoc on that. Texas Keykeeper Ray stepped up again and offered to loan me his Farmall Cub so I could finish up, and I'm probably gonna have to take him up on that offer because I can get this part, but I have to wait like a week to get it here. Then I gotta split the tractor in half again. Get to use those jacks I made again. If y'all ain't seen that video, I'll put that video down in the description. But yeah, it's just bad news. It's just something couldn't happen in a worse time, unfortunately, because we gotta get the garden out. We went ahead and we started putting the potatoes down in our regular garden spot, but that means we're gonna have to put our rest of our regular garden up here where the potatoes are gonna be going. And so yeah, it's just, if it's not one thing, it's another sometimes. Just how things like this goes. My cousin's down from Ohio, and we got this from Ronald fixed and running. It's so ugly, but it runs. It actually sounds good. And then we got the go-kart. We got the go-kart back up and going again. Had to weld up back up the exhaust. Probably get some videos recorded on that today, as we're having fun out on it. There's nothing else I can do today with the tractor being broke down. I should be plowing and disking and getting ready for the garden, but unfortunately I can't do that. So yeah, we'll get this tractor fixed. It's just, and you know the bad part is, just got the hydraulic pump fixed. Just got the hydraulic pump's working great. The rest of the tractor's working great. Smokes a little bit, but it's almost 80 years old, so. I had to go and get that set up yesterday because it broke the boat that I had on there. This is the kind of setup I had on there last year. So that's it, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Well, not really enjoyed the video because, you know, the tractor's broke down. Sad day. But anyway, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned for the next video. Later, guys.